everyone, welcome to my channel, and I'm trying to make Windows 11 icon. So this is going to be a tutorial. So let's see how well I can do it. So first we can just do one cube, which just needs to be like this. Yeah. Then another cube, just like this. Okay. Then this. In 5 minutes, inshallah. Okay. Then that, and then only this. Then we have to do this. Well, it's not going to. Now it's just going to be like this. Now we just have to go blue, 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 blue. Yeah, and it's complete. And also, don't forget to write Windows 11. And of course, change this to this. Then we just go to this and change it to 72. Then you just write Windows. And you just go at the very, I think over here with the 11. Yeah, Windows 11. So this is complete. Hope you liked it. See you soon. Bye.